Well, a big hello to everybody present around the arena. And today we are here at the press meet for SIWPC. And right beside me, we have our venue partner. So, how are you feeling today? And apart from that, how does it feel to be the support system and to be the backbone of such an event altogether?
I'm very happy to be here, and the kind of interest and the kind of activity that has been generating around SAWPC. I'm really happy that the team has worked extremely well. I understand there are more than 700 delegates coming from across the world to Hyderabad to witness the event. It's a wonderful number of the wedding planners coming around at one location, and I understand this is one of the biggest event of this category. It's really exciting, and I'm looking forward to it.
So, but before we actually dismiss, I think I can actually ask you this question. There are too many people who would like to support such an event, but there are very few who choose to. So, what is that thing which gives you the kick to support such an fraternity?
See, I am from the mice industry, and I manage a venue which holds a lot of weddings. And I've been seeing that the wedding industry is about $130 billion industry in India, and the kind of destination weddings, the kind of activities that happen around in this industry are not much happening in Hyderabad. So my interest would be to bring that destination weddings to Hyderabad, where we have such a good infrastructure in Hyderabad that has been developed, and the wedding industry at Hyderabad growing and riding the wave. That will be.
100%. And all we can say is in Hyderabad, we are not competing, but we are collaborating. Thank you so much, sir. And we are loving to watch all around the support system around. Thank you so much. All right, everyone. So, with this, a big hello to everybody who all are present around the corner. And today, right beside me, we have President TCEI, Shri Balram Babu Garu. So, first of all, how you doing? And what's the excitement with the coming up near event?
Hi everyone. As you all aware, Telangana Chamber of Events Industry is hosting the third edition of SIWPC Global South Indian Wedding Planners Congress. ఇది ఒక ఇంటర్నేషనల్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ అండి. మొత్తం వినూత్నంగా ఎంతోమంది దేశ విదేశాల నుంచి చాలామందిని తీసుకొచ్చి ఒక వెడ్డింగ్ ప్లానర్స్ని, ఈవెంట్ మేనేజర్స్ని, అదేవిధంగా వెడ్డింగ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ స్టేక్ హోల్డర్స్ని ఒక సిమిలర్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్కి తేయడానికి కోసము మా అసోసియేషన్ ఇలాంటి కార్యక్రమాలు నిర్వహించడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ కార్యక్రమాల ద్వారా మేము ఎంతోమందిని ఉత్సాహపరచడానికి, వారిని మన ఇండస్ట్రీలో భాగస్వాములు చేయడానికి కోసము ఇలాంటి ఎన్నెన్నో కార్యక్రమాలు ముందుకు వస్తుంటాం మేము.
So, a quick question before we end up this session. So, the question is, what exactly is that one thing which gives you the kick to create such wonders?
Kick is like, I'll tell you in English and Telugu also for Telugu audience.
Yes, sir.
So it's basically when the association runs on one fundamental principle is connect and converge and connect and collaborate. So the kick is also the same. కి మేము అందరినీ ఒక చోట చేర్చాలి, ఒకరిని పరస్పర చర్చలు ఇవన్నీ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయాలి, అదేవిధంగా అందరినీ పెంపొందించాలి ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్. సో ఓరియంటింగ్ దెమ్ టు ద గ్లోబల్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ అండ్ uplifting the industry is the kick for which we all are working for.
Thank you so much, sir, and looking forward for a great networking session coming up. Thank you. All right, everybody. So, right beside me, we have the convener, SIWPC. I'm talking about none other than Shri Shravan Madiraju Garu. Well, sir, how you're doing today? And we have been waiting for this networking session for a while now. What's the feeling and how's the Josh?
Josh is definitely high, and we're very happy today because SIWPC, one of the niche wedding conference which happened last year, and we're going to break all the records this year because last year we also had our TCI Excellence Awards. We had 120 applications last year, and this year we are close to 200. It's like a double jump in, and we're super excited. Especially the big news is Telangana Tourism is supporting us for the second consecutive time. So having support of government, nothing like it. I think this year, if you see our SIWPC, the tagline, the last year was elevate and empower. We wanted to elevate the South and the industry as well. Now, this year, if you see the tagline, it is beyond imagination. So, definitely, everybody who's attending the show will have the vibe of that beyond imagination.
So, sir, a very well questioned, right redefined. Of course, we are believing in networking, collaborating, and a lot more. What else are we going to be having this time? Anything different, anything unique? Would you like to mention?
Okay. This year, every conference generally will have this connect, collaborate, meeting planners and all. One of the unique thing which happening for the first time in India in this conference is we have Indian floral design extravaganza. So we have 16 top planners of India. Each designer is designing one table and one different concept. So imagine top of the line designers of India. When you witness, you can touch, feel. So I think this is a great opportunity for all the wedding planners, the entire fraternity, in fact, to see such kind of a great work with individual designer designing tables and all. So that's the big takeaway from this conference.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir. And ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be one of the most extravagant 2 days of partnership. Altogether, it's going to be bigger and better this time. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Have a great day and looking forward to see you. Thank you. All right, everybody. So, right beside me, we have our very own, one of the very fascinating leaders. I'm talking about none other than Sri Ram K. Mupanna. Well, yes, of course, convener and plus all the way from TCEI Event Excellence Awards 2024. Well, sir, how you doing, first of all? And what are we expecting from these three true extravagant days of togetherness?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much. Hope you're doing good too. See, if you look at the numbers, it's a number game. For us, it's a numbers, and the audience is what we call the success of anything that you take up, right? So, if you look at the number of nominations that we've received this year, it's almost double. Okay, and this is probably, if I say this, it sounds very exaggerating, but then the more nominations we've received in Gem of India, which is a national level award, we have people coming from across India. So you can imagine the potential of this award, the belief of people who is nominating for this award. So to an extent, we feel I've been the convener for this for the last officially 2 years, but then yeah, I've been working behind these awards from the day of its inception, and we feel so happy that people believe this award, people believe the process, people believe the organization. So end of the day, it's a TCI who made it possible. And now you can see the state of Telangana, right, is all over. Now you've been applying for an award from Jaipur for Gem of India. You'll say, what award? Telangana, Chamber of Events Industry, SIWPC, or Telangana Chamber of Events Industry Event Excellence Awards, right? So the directly or indirectly, we are also taking the state to a different level. See, the event industry is contributing not only in terms of physical presence, but it is also creating vibes that are required to become a fantastic state. So we feel, on behalf of the association, we feel so happy and proud that the youngest state in India is creating, amazing ripples all over the country. And coming to the awards, yes, you also have showcase today, wherein people who applied for Pearl of Hyderabad, all of them would be coming and presenting their case in front of the jury. We have an amazing jury at Vishalaji at NITHM, at National Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management. It's not easy, but it's tough. It's a good fight. We're enjoying it and hope everybody will enjoy. And I wish everyone an amazing 2 days of festivity and talent showcase and networking, knowledge sharing, collaborations, and whatnot. Right? We're extremely happy, and we hope everyone is feeling the same. And thank you so much for having me.
But sir, before we actually end this conversation, I have a quick question. So Ram sir, of course, we are bringing the collaboration here. We are not competing, but I really want to have a quick check. What's that one unique thing you feel that people are going to be witnessing in these 2 days of extravagant event?
See, this is known for showcasing the best, right? So the best cannot be revealed. We want you to be, we want you to experience this. If I have to tell you one thing, this large scale convention has not happened in India till date. Okay, this is happening at the biggest or the largest convention space in India, right? Thanks to Hightex, Mr. Srikanth is right here. Okay, imagine if you have to fill that entire space to the expectations of everyone, how much hard work could have gone behind it. Close to 200 people, almost everyone in the association is contributing because it's a moment for all of us to feel so great. So as for your question, straight answer is like as I told you, it can be revealed. You will experience the extravaganza of I think my counterpart, the convener, would have shared what is happening. It's no less than what has been happening to you.
Absolutely.
That much I can tell you. Right?
And all we can say is let's have the action speak everything, isn't it?
Absolutely, we believe in action speaks more than the words.
Thank you so much, sir. Looking forward to see you. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. Well, yes, so we have a very, very important personality right beside me right now. I'm talking about none other than our ex-president. Yes, of course, Shri Pratap Jadeja Garu. And sir, क्योंकि आप यहाँ पे आ ही चुके हैं और बहुत ही भयानक, मैं कहूँगी भयंकर, the kind of feedback we are receiving from the folks around, it's going to be very extravagant. तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे? 2 दिन का इवेंट होने वाला है. कैसा लग रहा है? And double of the time, people are coming onto the floor. How does it feel?
एक्चुअली FAIC दिस TCI में मैं भी 10 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ और TCI इज़ ए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रनिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 10 years and SIWPC is the third event. So slowly this has become one of the biggest event of the Hyderabad and the biggest event of the South India also we can say. So SIWPC and awards, all these are like a motivation to the people who are working throughout the year. That is the main reason this is going day by day grand success.
Pratap sir, you have already been with us for a very, very long time and still you're here. So I really want to ask you, what's that one thing जो आप mention करना चाहेंगे? अगर एक जुम्मे में अपने experience को आपको define करना होगा तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे पूरे fraternity की तरफ से?
यार दोस्ती बनाओ, काम करते हुए अपना रेपुटेशन को बढ़ाओ. ये इवेंट इंडस्ट्री का इवेंट है तो आपकी प्रेजेंस बताना ही सब कुछ इसमें दिख के आता है.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you and looking forward to see you. Thank you very much.